Realme is on a roll because there's another budget-friendly device. Welcome to LAZADA's Tech, where we do tech in your real life in style. And what a beautiful day for a new video, because not only are we unboxing the Realme C11, which is the brand's newest budget device, this phone after this video also goes to a partner organization for Realme's Kaklase Mo campaign. Because of the current pandemic and the shift to online classes, there are so many kids who aren't equipped to learn online. And as I've always said, I am always for more affordable tech, because that means these devices will be able to reach more hands, and more affordable phones allow for the democratization of technology, a tool which we can all use to better ourselves. Okay, that was a lot to unpack, but yes, I really do feel strongly about this. Back to the phone. In this video, we're gonna be unboxing this phone, we're doing a camera tour, some sample shots, and maybe let's try a video call, since, you know, online learning entails online video calls, yeah? I think that's a grand enough intro. Let's get to the unboxing. Here we go, C11 Realme. On the sides, it says the same thing. More details on the phone on the back here. That's a 5000 milliamp hour battery, 13 megapixel AI dual camera, 6.5-inch mini drop full screen, and powered by a MediaTek Helio G35 gaming processor. The version I have is a 3GB 32GB version in pepper gray. Always a welcoming greeting. Welcome to the Realme family. This, folks, is the phone, but we check out what else is in here first. Interesting. Look at that cutout. There's a cutout up until here. I don't know what for, but oh, because it has probably a bump. Okay, I get it. Power brick, power cord, and that is a micro USB. Nothing else. Right, onto the phone. This, folks, is the big reveal. Ooh. It says that this thing has a micro SD card slot, a SIM 1, and a SIM 2 slot. Ooh, that looks good. Wait. I really like how that looks. That looks very premium. I know this is Realme's budget phone, but that looks nice, and it looks not cheap. That texture looks very good. Some legit Realme branding on the back. I'm not mad at that. Of course, the camera is on a square module that actually looks good with the whole Realme branding, and that's actually barely a bump. Dude, I am living for this glitter effect. It's really subtle, but it's so nice. Wow, that feels really solid. On the sides, we have a volume rocker and a power button. Oh, not sure if you can see that, but I like that detail on the side. At the bottom, speakers, micro USB port, mic, and an audio port. On this side, we have the SIM tray and a smooth top. You know what it is, time to power it up, and then a montage. Time for our camera tour, but before that, again, a moment to appreciate how nice this looks. So this thing runs on Realme UI Android 10, and if you've used a Realme phone before, it's gonna look like pretty familiar. Right, onto the camera tour. Hi! First off, we're using the rear cameras. There is a 1x. Is there a wide? No wide. 2x. 4x. And you can zoom up until, okay, that's it. Up here, you have flash settings, HDR, auto, chroma boost. So that's basically like their saturation mode. And then different filters. Under settings, you have a timer and you can switch the frame of the photos you take. On portrait mode, as you can see, my background blurred. Is there a zoom? No zoom in or out. There is a bokeh adjustment. Under more, you have time-lapse, slow-mo, pro mode, pano mode, and Google Lens. On the other side, we have video mode. That's 1x, 2x, 4x. Is there a zoom? No more zooming, no wide. And then video resolution is at 1080p. Up here, you have flash and then also more filters. Night mode gives us 1x to 4x as well. On to the selfies. Wait, how do I? Of course, there are no selfie modes on night mode. On video mode, hi, you have filters up here, and then yep, you can shoot 1080p 30 fps. In photo mode, you don't have zooms, but you have HDR, you have your different filters, you have your flash, and also the beauty mode. There's also front-facing portrait mode. You can also adjust the bokeh. Filters are also available. And yeah, timer. Also, gesture photos. Love that. And finally, you have a pano mode and a time-lapse. So that was our quick tour, but since we're talking about this phone in the context of like doing online classes or doing online schoolwork, I suggest we do a quick test. Let's call our friends. Hi guys. Char. Wait. Nakalimutan ko sasabihin ko. Hi guys, so I'm calling you pero I wanted to check how this call looks and sounds. So we're on Zoom. I have Alvin of Alvin Tries Tech and Mary Bautista of Mary Bautista. And actually Jason is there somewhere. Ayun, Jason. So how do I sound? How do I look?
Sa akin, I wasn't really expecting na ganito kaganda yung camera quality niya, yung front camera, kasi kanina nung una namin in-open yung Zoom call, via sa iPad ako nag-open. Tapos mas maliwanag ba to? Eh, mas malabo. Ay, diba, Jason?
Kaya ako kanina, surprisingly clear para sa budget phone.
And even the audio, it's not the best audio that you can find sa mga budget phones, but again, for the price that you paid for it, pwede na.
Yeah.
Yung sa kanya, yung kung isipin natin yung price point ng Realme C11, sobrang bagay niya kasi ang dami naghahanap ngayon ng mga, syempre hindi naman natin in-expect na kailangan natin bigla bumili ng mga phones para sa online learning. Pero dito talagang nakakakuha tayo ng less than 5K phone pero sobrang capable niya. So, kanina, ito habang ginagawa natin ito, naka-screen record sa akin, hindi naman ako nakaka-encounter ng problem. Yung regarding sa sa video call natin, nagkakaroon ako ng onting freeze frames. Pero sobrang sobrang minor niya lang talaga para sa akin, especially for its price point. Na talagang masasabi ko na ideal to na budget phone para sa online learning talaga, guys.
Ito kaya ka naka-experience ng freeze frames dahil sabay yung screen recording mo sa...
Medyo in-intensan mo siya.
Possible din yun. Actually, dalawa yung possible reason kasi nag-screen record ako tapos may nanonood ng Netflix kasi. Pwedeng internet din yun. So actually, reminder din na baka internet na kailangan i-improve din natin yung internet para actually mapaganda yung video call experience. Pero overall, believe ako sa Realme C11.
Of course, I'm not ending this video without some doggy sample shots. Here's a few quick ones. And that was our first look at the Realme C3. Again, this is a very not cheap looking budget phone. Realme is really good at that. Now, one thing I'm told that the variant I have is a special edition variant, but these phones will be available in this awesome color and a mint green version for 4,990 pesos. Yes, 4,990 pesos. for the 2GB, 32GB variant. I better wrap this video up because Realme needs this phone to send to their partner organization. Again, good job, Realme. If you have questions, let me know in the comment section down below. And if you want to see the tech I use on a daily basis, you can find me online. That's at Cisa Said. Until next time.